take a look at the stock market go, baby. And SoFi stock, it's up around 3% as every index in the United States stock market is exploding. And you guessed it, we have to break down the indexes in this video. We'll do that later in the video. And we have to go over SoFi as, again, it's up almost 3%. And everything is breaking out pretty much today, guys, as the VIX is down 23%. Yes, you heard that right. So we have a lot to cover. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and snag up your free stocks for a moo. It's literally free money, guys. Check out that link down below. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, again, use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/moo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get into it. So like I said, guys, it's Friday. Slowly wrapping up the day here, and we have every index massively in the green. SoFi's moving and grooving back in the mid-15s, and we have to cover this, guys. We have to break it down. And believe it or not, guys, it's crazy, actually. SoFi was at $14 in the pre-market today. Yes, you heard that right, $14. And we then ended up uptrending to open. We actually opened up at about $14.80, so we rallied 80 cents off that low to open, right? Then once we opened, well, we started breaking out. We ran right through $15, right through the closing price from yesterday, and now we're pushing $15.50. And as I'm making this video, it's about, 2:40 p.m. East Coast time, and now we're actually wrestling with the highs roughly from yesterday. Yesterday's high was about $15.50 to about $15.80. So if this general range on SoFi could break, well, that'd be ideal for the bulls. If we start breaking out of $16, $16.25, $16.50, that would obviously be ideal. But as of now, if I get this 30-minute up, let me pull this 30-minute chart up. You guys can see, actually, wait, that was the 1 hour. Never mind. Let me zoom in on this 30-minute chart. You guys can see we're in this little downwards channel, are we not? You guys pretty much see it right here. We're in this channel. We just hit $14 this morning, like I said. That was the bottom of the channel, and now we've rallied to the top of it, being about $15.50, right where we are right now. So if SoFi is able to break $15.50, $16, this could really start moving, right? Probably back, like I said, towards $17 even, right? But we have to break out of this channel. Pretty clear here on this 30-minute chart. We got to get out of there. And if I pull up, let's say, let's pull up the 1 hour chart on SoFi. How are we looking? We're actually still under both moving averages on this time frame. We hit a new low with the move down to $14 this morning. And we have a death cross in the making right now. We have the 50 crossing under the 180 SMA, and now we're testing that level of resistance. Those moving averages here on the 1 hour chart being about 1570, 1580, 90. That's a big resistance, and that gives us even more reason as to why we have to break out of $16 per share. And here on the 4 hour chart, guys, if I zoom in a little bit, we can see pretty clearly we are holding support above this 180 SMA at $14, $14.50. That's a good sign that buyers came in there pretty much this morning heading into open. At open, buyers bought this dip up. A lot of money was made today, guys. Short-term trading money. People that bought that dip. And let me know in the comments, did you trade that dip? Did you buy it and make a quick little profit? Maybe you day traded SoFi. Let me know. I personally didn't. But if you did, I'm curious. Let me know in the comments. But that would have been an opportunity here. But overall, guys, it's a good sign in the grand scheme of things that buyers are coming in at this level. If we're able to fully start getting out of here and let's say start breaking above, like I said, $16, that would solidify the continuation here. The breakout, and maybe we could start going 17, maybe even higher, 17.50, 18, 19, and maybe higher from there. But as of now, guys, we are up around 3%. Buyers are coming in above that moving average on the 4-hour, which is really good for the bulls. And now we just have to wait for the continuation. And as for me, like I said, I didn't trade this thing today, but I'm still in it, obviously, as a long-term investment. My average cost is $680. I'm in it. I'm not buying more. I'm not selling. I'm simply holding as of right now. And let me know what you guys are doing in the comments down below, and feel free to sign up to the free email list where I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every single Monday. And I do that now to 1,900 people. So if you want to be a part of that, it's free. It's a quick read every Monday. Check out the link in the description box down below. Now, let's break down these indexes as we have a couple more minutes here in this video. SPY is ripping up 1.5%, clearly continuing the uptrend on the 4-hour chart. If I get this channel tool out, you guys can see clearly we're holding this channel. We bounced off the bottom of it at about 575, 580. Now we're pushing mid 590s. This looks good. And now in real time, we're testing both moving averages on this 4-hour chart, which at this point, that's resistance, right? Big resistance for SPY. If it's able to break out of, let's say, 600, 598, that's where another big leg up could be coming. But for now, we got to be patient. And QQQ is probably in the same position. Yeah, kind of. Pretty much holding an uptrend on the 4-hour chart here. We are bouncing off the 180 SMA. We're about to break out of the 50 SMA at about 525, 526. So if that's fully able to break out or, take out, we could be going 535, 540, that general range, which, just 2-3 days ago, guys, we were at all-time highs. So I'm not expecting this to go right back to all-time highs, but ultimately it will, in my opinion, over the next couple of weeks, couple of days even. But yeah, QQQ 1.6% in the green right now, looking good. SPY, like I said, 1.5. Dow, same thing, 1.5%. Same with the Russell for that matter. So they're all up roughly the same. And they're all looking roughly the same on the charts, right? On the 4-hour time frame, Dow is bouncing off the 180 SMA, looking like it's continuing the uptrend. And same thing with the Russell, right? We got a big sell-off from 2460 down to about 2200. Now we're bouncing back into the mid-2200s, and I'm looking at IJR for a potential swing trade here, which is a small cap ETF, and this would be a nice rebound play if small caps were to rebound, which I think ultimately they will. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe here on YouTube, and check out the Patreon if you guys want to be a part of that. See my portfolio, what I'm doing every week, plus more. That's linked down below. And do not forget to snag up your free stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now, guys, will earn up to 8.1% APY, which I'm telling you, man, it's a no-brainer. So use that link down below or go to stocksurfs.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers, guys. I'll catch you in the next video. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. Hope you're crushing it out there. I'll see you later.